Equations and inequalities practice number 7. Solve for x and graph its solution set on a number line. The absolute value of 4x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 20. Now this is a greater than inequality, so it's going to be a situation called OR situation, where it's going to be greater than 20 and less than negative 20. So when you're setting up your inequalities for practice, remember that. It's going to be 4x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 20, and 4x minus 6 is less than or equal to 20. This is a good opportunity for you to pause the video, practice, and then when you have your answer, resume watching the video to see what the solution is. And welcome back. Let's find out what the solutions are. So we're going to do the two scenarios where we first we divide at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up where I have 4x minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 20, or 4x minus 6 is greater than or equal to positive 20. I go ahead and add 6 to both sides. So here we're adding 6. We see that these are going to cancel out. And negative 20 plus 6 is going to leave me with a negative 14. And I do the same thing with this scenario where I have positive 20. So I have two different inequalities. I have 4x is less than or equal to negative 14, or 4x is greater than or equal to positive 26. Divide both sides by negative 4, and we have x is less than or equal to negative 7 halves, or x is greater than or equal to positive 13 over 2. The graph will look like this. Negative 7 halves will be approximately halfway between negative 3 and negative 4. So this is x less than or equal to negative 7 over 2. And over here, 13 over 2 is equivalent to 6.5. So we start here with a closed circle of 6.5, moving off to positive infinity. Let's now consider the other option. If we go ahead and factor in the beginning. If we factor in the beginning, you'll notice I take out my 4, and that's going to leave me 4 times the quantity x minus 1.5. The absolute value of 4 is positive 4, so you'll notice that's outside the inequality here. And next, I divide by positive 4. So positive 4 divided by positive 4 is a positive 1. So we don't need it because 1 is an identity number. Anything times 1 is itself. But over here, 20 divided by 4 is a positive 5. Then we set up our two different inequalities. We have x minus 1.5 is less than or equal to negative 5, or x minus 1.5 is greater than or equal to positive 5. And again, you see we have the same two inequalities. We have x is less than or equal to 3.5, which is equivalent to negative 7 over 2. Or we have x is greater than 6.5, which is equivalent to 13 over 2. So these are the solutions given the two different ways you can attack this problem. How did you do?